Hello, everyone. My name is Lightning Gameroid, and let me say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate in December. Anyway, today I have both of the advent calendars that I promised to open. We have the Roblox. Oh, come on. The Roblox advent calendar right here. And we also have a Minecraft advent calendar. And I'm going to be unboxing both of them. I'll open one door every day. And by the time you are watching this, today should be Christmas Day. And like I said before, I posted one picture every day onto Twitter and my community tab. And every day I'm going to be wearing this Roblox hoodie. So anyway, let's take a look at them. I already took the plastic off of this one because I kind of wanted to see what it was like on the inside. So here it is on the inside. Can you see it? Yes. Pretty big one. And if we take a look at the back, we have all these games right here. All the figures you can collect. They're all silhouettes. Lily did a video on this, so I pretty much know everything that comes out of here. But if you look at the back here, this is all the Minecraft stuff. You get all these minifigures and accessories. And down here you get all these really cool stickers. So here we go. We're about to start day one. But before we do that, well, by the time I'm filming this, today is December 1st. By the time you're seeing this, it's at least December 25th. So chances are I did a video on Imagination Series 4, but I don't even know if I did a video on the Celebrity Series 8 core packs yet. Because that's basically all I need. I need both those core packs to complete my collection to Celebrity Series 8. At this point, I kind of want to get them before the end of this year. If I can't find them, I might just find them online somewhere for expensive. Anyway, we are about to start day one. Hello and welcome to day one of my Minecraft and Roblox advent calendar opening. I'm so excited for this. First, we're going to take the plastic off of this. Woohoo. Your regular advent calendar would have things to open up and there would be chocolates inside, but this time there are toys inside. Alright. Number one is right here. Right here, number one. We're gonna punch this, and we get we have a semi-translucent sheared snow golem, and it looks very cool. Well, snowman. This is basically the sheared snow golem that we got in Series 22. Looks very cool. Alright, I've been waiting a while for this. Time for the Roblox advent calendar. And we get here is a gingerbread man figure with missing legs. But don't worry, we're getting his legs tomorrow. So here are our contents for day 1. Alright, let's move on to day 2.